Welcome back. Survivors is what I want to say. Right now, if you're investing, you should be buying. You should be buying almost everything in the stock market, big tech. Like if you have an iPhone, Apple is something. If you have an Android, Samsung. If you like LG, whatever. If you like Toyota, buy Toyota stock. If you have a Tesla, have Tesla stock. I call them life stocks. However, that's what you should be doing. You should be dollar cost averaging in. Same thing for crypto is as things get lower, you start adding more and more. And what I mean by example of that is if Bitcoin goes down to 20,000 again, I'm going to buy more. If it goes down to 19, I'm going to buy more. If it goes down to 18, so it's going to be a pyramid. So it might be like $500 at 20, $700 at 19, $1,000 at 18, and so on and so forth. But you have to have the money on hand, and right now a lot of people don't have the money, so it's difficult for them to be able to dollar cost average into this stuff. But this is where the money is made, and that's how you're supposed to do it. It's not when everyone is just making obscene amounts of money, because as the train goes up, or the rocket, you can hop on and join the gains, and that's when people think investing and trading and all that stuff is incredibly easy, and you seem like a genius because no matter what, you're making money. But then your entry positions aren't the best, and so when things go down, you're not really that well equipped for it to tank. But if you were to buy Bitcoin during the last crash of like 2018, you bought Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin under 10 grand, and you bought Ethereum under $300, something like that. So you're still sitting pretty. And that's how this next cycle is going to be, is right now you buying Bitcoin at 20,000. When Bitcoin goes up to 100,000 and it starts going back down to 50 and everyone's panicking, you're going to be like, dude, I got in at 20. Like, I'm not too worried. Or Ethereum now, it's 1,200. Well, once it's up to 10 grand and it tanks back down to 4,000, you're not going to be effing worried because you bought at 1,200. It's very simple. This is where money is made. And truthfully, I just got rid of a vehicle of mine that I didn't need because of gas. And, it was really nice. TRD Pro Tundra. They don't have any available. And it's a $75,000 truck. And I'm digressing a little bit, telling you about my stuff. So I took the equity, and I've got the equity sitting in cash so that I could deploy if I see an incredibly good opportunity, because I'm not going to sit here and wait for something. I am going to sit here and wait, but you need to have cash to sit here and wait. And so I guess let me just talk about what is currently going on. Look at Bitcoin. Doesn't this look familiar to S&P 500? So this is the entire stock market, right? And I guess let's look. You could have shorted both. That's a 10% correction. Bitcoin, I'm assuming, is going to be quite a bit gnarlier. But yeah, we're looking at like a 30% correction from right around 30,000 down. But it looks fairly similar. This is on the daily. We're below the 9-day. Boom, kind of touched and went below. We're still both in the bear market because of the red line. Red line is the 200-day EMA. So they look incredibly similar. Stochastics were way below as far as being oversold. Everything is oversold incredibly. We're looking for a bounce. And I don't believe the Fed is going to let the stock market, and since crypto is tied to it because of just money, they're not going to have this 1.5%, 150 basis points to just ruin the market. They might go 50 basis points or 75, but it's not going to be 150. And that's just truthfully what I think, is they need to keep the markets healthy, and the market has already had a fairly gnarly correction because we were at 4,500 for S&P, and now, we're at 3,700. where is this? So let's just say when we dipped below the 200-day. Yeah, we broke above, but it was a false breakout. I guess let's just look. So it's been a 15% correction, and it has been over 142 days. So, we're looking kind of a half a year we've been in this bear market for the stock market, and crypto is fairly similar, except for it's gone down, close to 60%, and it's about 20 days. So crypto could have let you know that the stock market was going to go down about 20 days earlier. And that's just where I'm thinking. I think we're due for a little bit of a bounce. It's still going to be till December or so before we see potentially a sign of even touching this 200-day. But there's no telling what's going to happen in markets. This is Johnny Crypto. I'm here to help you make some money.